This river carries my fondest memories. When Vienna and Trieste became connected via a railway line, life around here changed. The imposing railway bridge spans the Solkan River and still boasts the largest stone arch in the world. Though it was demolished in the First World War, it was soon rebuilt. A marvelous piece of engineering. I was the first one to drive a locomotive across the Solkan Bridge. It was in these parts where Edvard Rusjan made his first flight with a plane of his own construction. Big things have happened around here.